Hello everyone, we have a fun video for you today. We're going to be assembling some Firefighter favor bags. So the first thing we like to use is a 16-ounce cup. And then you can really use any of the favors, but we're going to use a couple of our favorites today. In the back, always nice to put in a little strip of stickers. Then we have a Firefighter coloring book, little wristbands, some tattoos, some of our squirt guns, Firefighter figurines, and all these just drop right in here. Some of our badges. And then simply fold the stickers over so they don't stick out too much. Grab a favor bag. Color is your choice. Slide it right in. Twist it. And tie it up. These make awesome little gift bags for any party occasion. Just hand them out to your guests during the party or when they go home. Easy as that.